Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, body-colored exterior components, assist steps, power retractable, sunroof, power, tilt sliding, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, trailering package, heavy-duty, tires, P275/55 R20, all-season, black wall, wheels, 420 inches x 8.5, 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm, polished aluminum, wheels, 420 x 8.5, 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm, chrome, audio system with navigation, FM stereo with CD player and the LPO, all-weather floor mats, first and second row. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.